Yatay lang nagdo.
Badat mo lang.
Bijoy.
Number 9 ulit.
One mindset in today's society to create a better future.
better future.
What would it be and why?
Balik ka.
Can you pardon? Order
If you will change one mindset in today's society to create a better future, what would it be and why?
Translate din.
Translator.
Ma'am, pwede ko mag-translator sa galibog siya ng job translate. Sige, Carlo na lang translator sa'yo.
Si Carlo ba yan? Carlo man ka ba mo? Carlo.
Siya pure Bisaya. Hindi mo sa Bisaya. Ang lawag sa Church So, for example, if you, kanang naay kay huna-huna ba, mindset mo na, kagets na kay mindset eh. So, if na kay, say, mindset sa tao na to karon, sa atong mga palibot, mindset sa atong palibot, na gusto ni mo usbon na mindset sa atong palibot para sa kanindot makapalindot sa atong future unsa o biyano man.
Okay. Positive.
I will choose judgment.
Judgment na go.
Judgment.
Para mag-back up mo. Wala judgment.
Oh, di ka mag-judge.
Kaboost confidence sa tao.
Sure kung ba?
With negative mind. I hope you will change that. Yes. Because saying like we hope your positive mind will success in life. And I thank you.
So negativity will never do good to us. So always think positive for a brighter future. That was number 1. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, top 5 more. So tira sa Sitio Manga 2025. So later on, we will announce our winners. So girls, so you will now take your exit first. We will call you later on for the awarding.
No, guess ka din.